Yeah, see, before going for Microsoft Azure AI, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhar. Having 15 years of experience on Microsoft technologies, currently I'm working as a Azure AI cloud architect. Okay, yeah, next, have a look. Before going for Microsoft Azure AI, just I want to let you know something. Just I would like to let you know that how data is transforming. If you observe, okay, if you observe, okay, if you observe, generally previously data is there in on-premises. Okay, so from on-premises to data has been migrated to cloud computing. Okay, here why data has been migrated to cloud computing because of maintenance. So to maintain, we have to maintain our own data center, then create the servers, power, internet, speed, AC, and lot of many resources are required to manage all these infrastructure and all. Right? Due to that entire IT industry, they have migrated their data into cloud computing. Okay, here cloud computing means you can go for Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. These are the primary three cloud vendors are there in the market. Okay, after data is migrated into Azure Cloud or some any other cloud, on top of it, manipulate it. Okay, the manipulation on top of the data is called AI. Okay, so simply we can say what is the AI? AI is a what? The full form of the AI, artificial intelligence. It is simulation of what is that? It is the simulation of human intelligence. Is called AI. Okay, I am repeating. Sorry. What is the AI? AI is a simulation of human intelligence. Is called AI. Okay. Yeah. Next. Another important thing is have a look in the cloud computing. Totally, we have three types of cloud deployment models. Okay, I can say infrastructure as a services, software as a services, and software as a services, platform as a services. Infrastructure as a service means server, storage, network, database. These all comes under infrastructure as a services. Coming to the platform as a services is, see, databases, web servers, and providing the runtime environment. That all comes under platform as a services. Best example for software as a services is M365. Okay, what is that? M365. Under M365, we have 20 plus components. Got it? Yeah, next. Now, if you observe, all Microsoft Azure AI services comes under PaaS, guys. Okay, machine learning, ML. Okay, machine learning. Okay, that is ML. Next, we have deep learning. We have agents development, agentic AI. Okay, agentic AI and the generative AI. All these application we can build, deploy, manage, access the application on top of what is that? PaaS services. Okay, so here Microsoft they came up with the pre-built services. We came with what is that? Pre-built AI services, which are very popular in the market. Okay, yeah. So before going for that Microsoft Azure AI, just I want to let you know what is the Azure AI. Okay, so first of all, what is the Azure Cloud Computing? Very simple. Azure Cloud Computing is collection of remote services. These are all the services. And access them over the internet is called cloud computing. Okay, that is what Azure Cloud Computing. I am repeating, what is the Azure Cloud Computing? It is collection of remote services and access them over the internet is called cloud computing. Okay, yeah, next. First thing, what is the Azure AI? First of all, what is the AI? The AI full form is Artificial Intelligence Services. It is, what is that? Simulation of, I can call it as simulation of human intelligence is called, what is that? AI. simulation, imitation, okay, and the behavior of like a human is called, what is that? Intelligent services, okay, artificial intelligence services. Okay, clear. So this is about what AI. Here, simple thing, how human is behavior, right? So based on the data, based on your input, the artificial intelligence also will be act as a like human. Okay, that's what very simple definition is. Artificial intelligence is a simulation or imitation of human intelligence is called artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, it will learn from the data. What is that? Learn from the data, train and act as a like a human is called artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is the artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence. It will learn from the data. It will learn from the data, train and act as a like a human is called human intelligence. Okay, you know, right? You might have watched the Robo movie. Robo movie, what it does? So actually, they made it one robo. Then they imported the data. It will train and act according to Rajnikant commands. Rajnikant commands. I can say voice commands. Okay, whatever the Rajnikant in that movie they said no. According to that, robo will act as. Okay, so even they will do some cesarean surgeries as well. If you observe, what does it mean? It will learn from the data, train and act like a human is called, what is that? Artificial intelligence services. Okay, so if you are not implementing artificial intelligence services, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Cost will be increased. Okay, so labor cost will be increased, productivity would be decreased. Okay, there would be a human error. Okay, there would be slowness of delivering the, what is that, productivity or deliverables. Also, it will increase around 60 to 70% productivity. So you can totally, what is that, remove the some automation work. We can remove the some human resources by automating regular their task. Okay, where exactly we will implement, what is that? AI. You know, right? In banking sector, call center sector, okay, hospital sector, manufacturing sector, okay, training sector. We can say automobile industry. Wherever there is a application process, right? Like data entry job, call center jobs would be replaced by totally artificial intelligence. That is what I said. There are, what is that? Many areas. Now artificial intelligence is what? Playing crucial role. Okay, so this is about what? Artificial intelligence. If you are not going for implementing artificial intelligence, what are the services? What are the losses are there? As I said, we have to spend a lot of time for labor and we have to spend a lot of time to increase the productivity. So to perform the task, regular task, we need to spend a lot of time, lot of budget. We have to hire many resources. Okay, next, apart from that, see, you know, right, in the real time, productivity, customer expectations are very high. According to reach, we have to implement AI. Okay, yeah, so these are all about what? How should we go for AI? If not implementing AI, what are the challenges currently we are facing it? Okay, yeah, next. See, what is the AI? Artificial intelligence, it should go for artificial intelligence because it helps solve the real-time challenges faced by industries and individuals. Clear? Oh, yeah, next, what are the advantages of the AI? Simply, we can say solve the complex problems, make smarter and decision using the data, save the time, reduce manual work. This is important. Okay, improve the accuracy, reduce the human error. Human error means if you go for banking sector, you know, for example, I would like to transfer the funds by issuing the check. Okay, funds from A person to B person. So that case, if I enter wrong account number, then my funds will be transferred into another account instead of same account, right? Clear? Yeah. Next, stay ahead in our job and business industry. Clear? Yeah. Next. Now, why should I move to, what is that? Why should I move to Azure AI. So Microsoft, they have provided a lot of pre-built services, guys. If we, yeah, if we consider, what is that? If we consider healthcare domain and the automobile industry, manufacturing sector, if we go for what is that? Training center, okay, education domain, HR domain, sales domain. So all these sectors already Microsoft has developed pre-built services which can be directly integrated with your application. Okay, so Microsoft came up with a lot of pre-built services which can be directly integrated with what is that? Your existing application to increase the productivity. So that's what speed and accuracy 24 by 7 operations. Okay, next system don't need any break to sleep and all. Cost saving. As I said, right, if any new technology came into the picture, obviously it is saving the cost for corporate companies. Okay, yeah, next in our day-to-day life activities as well. Next, better decision making. So AI will make better decisions and the competitive advantages. So that's what every company in the world they are moving forward toward AI. AI is not a optional, AI is the mandatory to perform any activities in our day-to-day lives. Okay, so what are the advantages of the AI? See, now automation, customer support, predictive analysis, image speech recognition, natural language capabilities, that all, what is that? Important features of AI. You know what is the NLP, guys? Machines will learn numeric language. Okay, binary format 010101 format. So I know only Telugu. If I pass my input as a Telugu language, it will process and it will convert it into machine understandable format, process your request, response will be back to the client in same language. If you pass the input in Telugu, output also Telugu. If you pass input as a English, output also will be English. Okay, it all will be taken care by AI itself. Okay, best example chat GPT. Okay, yeah, next. See, this is the AI architecture. Okay, here AI architecture means first AI, sub branch is ML, under sub branch we have deep learning, under deep learning we have what? Generative AI. What is that? Generative AI. Clear? Yeah, next. Now, here artificial intelligence. What is that? Artificial intelligence is the ability to machines think, learn, and make decisions like a human is called. What is that? Artificial intelligence. I am repeating. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines. This is the exact definition, guys. Please remember. Uh, Artificial intelligence ability to of machines think, learn, and make decisions like a human is called, what is that? AI. It uses the algorithm and compute power to resolve the problems, automate the task, and generate the insights, guys. Okay, so here these are the AI definition. So there are main components of AI is ML, generative AI, deep learning. Okay, next we have agentic AI, and NLP. Okay, these are the important components of AI. We have to, they are interrelated, each and every concept we have to implement. If we want, we can consume it in our applications. Okay, yeah, next. See, this is the first time our Telangana government in COVID period already they implemented our Azure AI computer vision concept. See, faced mask violation enforcement, they are using deep learning techniques, and CCTV they are implemented deep learning to identify particular humans where the mask are not. To understand that concept, they have taken about, what is that? Deep learning techniques in their CC cameras. Okay. Yeah, next. So where exactly we can use AI? You know, right? Healthcare domain, finance, retail, automobile industry, education, marketing, entertainment. All these sectors, almost whatever the sectors are there in the world, we are implementing AI AI is the part of each and every sector. Simple word I can say. Okay, yeah, next. What are the benefits of AI? As I said, right? Automation. What is that? Automation, accuracy, 100% it will provide useful insights. Faster decision, personalization and cost saving, guys. Reduce the labor cost, increase the productivity. Okay, yeah, next. Now, what is the future of AI? Very simple. AI is the part of each and every industry. As I said, healthcare domain, manufacturing domain, and education domain, automobile industry, and what is that we have? Marketing sector. So almost all the departments, AI would be part of it going forward. Okay. Yeah. Next. See, so as you said, right, mainly AI it contain four layers, guys. AI it contain four layers: data layer, algorithm layer, processing layer, and application layer. Okay, any AI application, consider it contain four layers: data, algorithm, processing, application. Okay, so data layer, your data can be anything. Okay, raw data. Raw data can be collected from multiple sources like text, images, audio, video, etc. etc. Data processing means cleaning, labeling, normalization is performed. Okay. Next, algorithm layer means machine learning models, deep learning models, natural language processing. Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, guys. Okay. Processing layer in the sense your data should be processed where we need to compute power. For example, I am teaching, you are listening. How? I am teaching in my laptop. My words are processing and you are able to listen. All this activity done by what? My laptop itself. That is what? CPU. Central Process Unit. So same way to process your AI application related data, we can use GPU, TPU. CPU somehow legacy, guys. We have to go for GPU. Okay, Graphical Process Unit. Okay, and the TPU means tensor process unit. Next, application layer means AI can be integrated with what? Real-time application. Chatbot, image generation, self-driving Tesla cars, where exactly we will implement application. So please remember this is the interview question. AI architecture, it contains four layers. One is a data layer, algorithm layer, processing layer, application layer. Okay, yeah, next. Now, what is the Microsoft Azure AI? See, this is what exactly I am telling. Microsoft Azure AI is a collection of AI services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the AI applications at scale. In Azure, cloud infrastructure is called Azure AI. I am repeating, what is the Azure AI? Azure AI is a Microsoft comprehensive cloud platform designed to accelerate development and deployment management on AI applications. It is using the pre-built services, guys, which is using what? Pre-built services. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now, another thing is, see, Azure Microsoft Cloud-based infrastructure services is what? Provide the tools, models, infrastructure to help business and developers to develop their own AI applications. This is the powerful of Microsoft Azure AI. So it contains pre-built services which you can customize and implement, scalability, integration, and security and compliance. Security and compliance. Okay, yeah. Next, these are the benefits of Azure AI. Seamless integration with your application, scalable, secure infrastructure, accessible tools, and the responsibility of AI, guys. Responsibilities of AI. So this is the what is the benefits of using Azure AI. Clear, guys? Yeah. Next, another architecture is in data input and processing, AI system architecture, model and training evaluation, and interface and decision making and feedback loops. Okay, actually, this AI, no, it will learn from the data for every second. Every second. For example, uh, I can say there is a earthquake, some other states, okay, in other countries, other states, and all. So they will update in the newspapers, and all. Generally, our chat GPT, okay, they are using LLM, large language models. Okay, large language models. So whatever the data is available publicly, every second it will train automatically. Then it will make it available when you ask something in the chat box. Okay, chat services I can say. Okay, so this is about what? How we can use what is that AI services architecture. Okay, next where we can use Azure AI. In all the sectors, chatbot, image, speech, predictive analysis, uh, healthcare related information, where exactly Microsoft already came up with pre-built services. Okay, yeah, next. Now, I said, right, Azure AI, it is processing what? TPU, GPU, CPU. CPU is the legacy. You may have query that I have an AI application. Can I deploy in your laptop? Laptops are using CPU. Am I right? So it is difficult to process. I mean, large amount of data. See, hello, welcome to Azure AI. To display such kind of messages, it's not a problem. Okay, if there is big functionality and all, we can also use CPU, but process the data and all, it is bit slow. Okay, that case minimum you have to go for GPU process. Who is developing GPU process in the market? NVIDIA. NVIDIA company, guys. Okay, you know, right? NVIDIA, it is the most valuable company in the world. The cost of the NVIDIA is around 4 trillion. That is equal to our Indian GDP. Okay, so for all other countries, whoever is exporting the chips, no, like to make AI application run smoothly, NVIDIA company itself. Okay, yeah, Intel and all they are developing, but their chips are not that much popular. At this moment, all of a sudden, NVIDIA company came into the picture, which is helping to run your AI application with seamless. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the overview of Azure. What is the AI? Why should I go for AI? And what is the Azure AI? And what are the advantages of the AI? Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? Overview of Azure AI. Now totally we have two papers which Microsoft introduced. One is AI 900. Okay. Other one is what? AI 102, guys. Okay, AI 102. AI 900, other one is what? AI 102. Okay, so this is very, 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 very important. Okay, AI 900 is what? Azure Fundamental, Azure Artificial Intelligence Fundamental. Okay, Azure Artificial Intelligence 102. This is AI Engineer, AI Fundamentals. Okay, so Microsoft they are introducing AI Foundry, guys. AI Foundry Foundry. This is the unified platform we can perform anything AI related applications. Microsoft has invested billions and billions of dollars for AI Foundry. So where you people can build, deploy, manage AI applications. Here AI application could be anything like machine learning, deep learning, okay, and we can say generative AI, agents, agentic AI, okay, and they are also providing fine tuning models, okay, base models, large language model, everything they have provided. All you need, you can go and use the model and develop and integrate with your application. Okay, as of now, their top company AI models which they are providing is like Microsoft Pi model, and second one is GPT model. GPT developed by open source. Okay, yeah. Next, other one is Mistral model. Next, Grow model. Grow developed by what is that? Elon Musk. Okay. Next, Anthropic. Anthropic is what? Cloud model. Very powerful. Sixth one is they came up with Llama model. LLAMA Llama model developed by Microsoft. This is a Facebook company, Meta. Okay, so Hugging Face, everything they have developed by what is that? They have provided these all these models in one cloud platform. Okay, so you can use any model, develop it, and integrate with your application. Okay, yeah. Uh, this is the overview. Do you have any questions, any doubts so far, guys? So tomorrow we will discuss about what, how to implement, what are the topics which I am going to cover that I will present it in next session. Okay. So this is the smart session. Like I do not want make you confusion. So what is the on-premises? What is the cloud? Okay. On top of the cloud, how AI came into the picture. You know, right? Data is already transformed to in the cloud computing. For example, you are using Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Most of the data is transforming. You people are sharing the videos, you people are sharing the text, you people are sharing the reels, you people are transforming the text images. It is everyone, they are generating massive amount of data. Okay, so in order to, what is that? In order to manipulate and provide the beautiful insight, we will use AI. Okay, large language models and which can be directly integrate with our application to perform specific tasks as per our business needs. Okay, where exactly we can implement AI. Got it? Any questions? Any doubts, guys? Yeah, so for practice it, okay, so for practice it, tomorrow I will show you what are the syllabus which I am going to cover that we will present it in next session. Okay, so I given what is the on-premises, what is the cloud, what is the AI, what is the Azure AI, why should I go for Azure AI? These are the basic things I have covered. Tomorrow I will show you how to, what are the syllabus of AI 900 and 102 that I will present it. Then we will move forward to what? Azure portal, how we can deploy one sample AI services. Okay, that all I will present it in next session. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Uh.